For AI models only, Tiny Traveler includes a companion app for both iOS and Android. To connect, first make sure your monitor is on and within range. Next, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, connect to the Tiny Traveler monitor signal. This is a secure, closed network. Tiny Traveler does not upload or store recorded moments in the cloud. Everything stays private and fully under your control, never compromised. Once connected, you can manage or download all saved videos and photos and import up to 2 custom audio-like lullabies. Before we dive into the individual AI features, there's something important to know. All AI features on Tiny Traveler run locally on the device and never collect any data on your baby. If you still need help, our customer support team is here for you. You can contact us anytime at info@mytinytraveler.com.